If you fall into a volcano crater, you should try to grab onto a ledge before you hit the bottom. If you can't, stand on your backpack to get away from the heat. Now, this intense heat can cause burns even without direct contact, so cover your face and body with any available material to shield yourself. You should also move quickly away from the lava flow to avoid toxic gases like sulfur dioxide, which can overwhelm you. If no rescue is coming, find a safe route to climb out. Look for ridges or rocks to help you ascend.